luxury real estate true value begins with location and is defined by elevation, privacy and permanence. Set above Antigua's desirable west coast, Villa Papilion occupies an elevated position that offers uninterrupted sea views, cooling trade winds and long-term security from overdevelopment. This private villa spans approximately 10,000 square feet of refined indoor and outdoor living spaces, designed to maximise light, flow and connection to the horizon. The main living areas are open and expansive, framed by floor-to-ceiling openings that lead seamlessly onto the ocean-facing terraces. It's ideal for both everyday living and elegant entertaining. At the heart of the home is a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with premium appliances, generous workspace and a layout that is designed to serve both private family use and hosted occasions. Villa Papilion offers 6 generously proportioned ensuite bedrooms. Each is designed as a private retreat complete with ocean views, refined finishes and spa-style bathrooms. The principal suite enjoys exceptional privacy, direct terrace access and panoramic sea views, a true owner's sanctuary. Outdoor living is central to the experience. An infinity-edge pool, multiple sun decks, al fresco dining areas and landscaped grounds that create a residence equally suited to quiet retreat or sophisticated gatherings. From sunrise over the water to Antigua's renowned sunsets, every moment here is defined by calm space and perspective. Located minutes from the beach and Jolly Harbour Marina, the villa offers convenient access to dining, shopping and yachting while remaining entirely private. As a primary residence, a Caribbean retreat or a long-term investment, Villa Papilion represents a rare combination of elevation, scale and architectural quality, attributes that are increasingly difficult to replicate on the island. This is not a seasonal property, it is a legacy asset. Villa Papilion, Antigua.